Ceramic arms are key components in semiconductor manufacturing equipment, mainly used for wafer trays, wafer robotic arms, etc. They are responsible for accurately conveying and transporting wafers and silicon wafers to designated workstations. Equivalent to the robot arm of semiconductor equipment, it can ensure efficient and stable automated operation during the production process. Compared with traditional metal robotic arms, ceramic arms can not only work in a specific vacuum environment, but you can also customize different structural types according to application requirements, such as clamping type, bearing type, vacuum adsorption type, etc. Among them, the vacuum adsorption ceramic arm can achieve air adsorption through the built-in ventilation groove, making the handling process more stable and safe, and is suitable for high-precision and high-cleanliness semiconductor production environments. Gorgias is a leading manufacturer of ceramics for semiconductor wafer processing. We have 15 years of technology and experience in manufacturing advanced ceramics, and are constantly optimizing and upgrading the manufacturing process of semiconductor ceramics. We can customize various components for you, such as ceramic arms, robot end effectors, ceramic wafer chucks, etc.